Alright boys, what is good? So today we're back with another live trade. It's been a minute, however, we're back. Now I am actually currently in a trade, as you can see. I'll talk more about that in a second. However, I quickly wanted to say, I was considering starting streaming again, but I don't know who would want to see it. So if that is something you're interested in, then if this video gets, what, 300 likes, I guess, then I'll probably start doing it again. Obviously just comment as well, if that's something you're interested in seeing. Damn, this trade's looking beautiful now. But yeah, it wouldn't be like all day or anything. It would just be like a nice few hour stream every so often. Wouldn't even have a full schedule. It would likely just be when I see a trade and just quickly point it out. But yeah, that was just something I wanted to say before I got into this trade. But there's been some developments since I last did a live trade, you know? Basically everything's been kicked off MetaTrader, which honestly, I'm not really too mad about. Now I'm currently on MetaTrader. This is my first trade I've ever taken on it. I literally had to figure it out before getting into this trade. And as you can see, I messed up two of the positions. These two are very small, and this one is the 0.5% one. The only reason I'm risking 0.5% is because this whole thing is just new. If not, I probably would have risked 1% on this. But yeah, unfortunately that actually got a bit of a worse entry. But yeah, honestly, these different trading platforms, probably a lot cleaner than MetaTrader. MetaTrader looks 100 years old. I'm not even mad about it. This shit was honestly kind of clean. CTrader does look better, so if I get the opportunity to switch over to that when my prop firm opens it in like, I think a week or so, then that would be nice. However, I'm cool with this. This is easy. All I need to do is place a trade, and they made that pretty easy, so I don't really mind too much. However, this chart does look ugly as hell, so let me quickly go over to TradingView to show what it actually looks like. So this is the trade, and it still might look weird to be honest. This is a bit of a different trade, just because we are right at the bottom of like nothing. However, we didn't break the lows all the way over here, and we also created this double bottom right here, which kind of makes me confident. Now, usually the minimum risk to reward with a strategy is 1 to 3s. However, there is this pretty strong supply zone right here, so we're going to see if we can blast through it. However, if we get some strong rejections, I may just take it at 1 to 2. But yeah, that's quite unfortunate because I prefer just getting these 1 to 3s or higher. But can't complain about 1 to 2 either, to be honest. But yeah, some other things going on. My hand is now out of cast. It's a little bit ugly, but hey, I can click my mouse now, so I should be able to edit this video. Maybe a little bit painfully, but nevertheless, I can manage it. Trust me, it's worth it for the about 20 pence that I get from ad revenue. I'm joking, I just find it fun. Like honestly, not being able to edit the last few weeks has been kind of sad. I quite enjoy editing, but we have returned, and I can't tell if this trade's looking good or not. Quite like this bottom wick that's created, and hopefully this candle right here is just creating a bottom wick too. Oh bro, my hair is getting out of pocket. Oh my god. I kind of want to grow it out, but like this area of it is horrific. But yeah, this is a 30-minute trade, so this is going to take a while to hit. I'm not about to sit through this whole thing. I'm about to go do something. I would say I'm going to go play basketball or go gym. However, my hand is still very broken. I cannot do that. So instead, I'm just gonna chill, probably back test, get some food, you feel me, and see where this trade takes me. But yeah, if you guys don't know, the reason I started kind of trading the 30-minute charts is because it's just way more professional. You have way more time in the day. Like I don't have to sit at the charts for what, 4 or 5 hours like I used to, like a normal day job. I can literally look at my phone every hour, and if there's a setup close, I can just set an alert. If it taps, we cool. I can get to the charts, quickly place a trade, and I have the whole day. I don't have to look at it. I don't have to think about it. Honestly, it's so nice. It is actually so good. Plus, the win rate on it, it's just better. And from my testing, it's just been beautiful. I do need to get some more live experience with it because I haven't really been able to trade because of the prop firm maintenance, etc. Yeah, we are back now, and this is about to be beautiful. So I guess I'll get back to you once this has moved some. But yeah, I'll see you in a few hours, I guess. Peace. And we are back. This is like not even too long later. I expected to come back like hours later. However, we are $645 in profit, which is, you know, we surpassed 1 to 1 because I'm risking 0.5%, and that's pretty good. That's pretty good. The trade is looking beautiful on here. We've got some nice candles going. Now this supply, like I said, a little bit of a concern because we have the liquidity here. This is just a nice zone for us. You feel me? This is something that I probably would take if it gave like a good entry. However, I actually kind of do expect it to shoot through it. I'm not gonna like just hold straight through. I might take partials or something, but the reason why I think that this could shoot straight through it is because we have a big move to correct. Like, look at all these gaps. It was just a fairly straight down move, and to me, I've seen this before, this just looks like something where it could just correct up to like, I don't know, maybe even this zone. And on top of that, we do have this area down here, and we kind of match these lows nearly, which is quite nice because this is a good area that we could definitely retrace from. And yeah, man, this is we just got this candle close. It's quite beautiful. I'll see how this candle moves, but yeah, I don't really have any complaints. Hopefully I can take it above 1 to 2 because I ain't really trying to take a 1 to 2. Minimum 1 to 3 is usually the protocol. That was the most British thing ever, protocol. Yeah, anyway, never mind. But I would take a 1 to 2. 1 to 2 is still a win. It follows my rules just because of the supply. A little bit dangerous. But yeah, this double bottom makes me a lot more confident, I will say. This is a definite reversal pattern. And this candle, once again, looking absolutely beautiful. Now $740 in profit. Pretty good. And bro, let's see if we can motherfucking pass this challenge. Wouldn't that be crazy? Wouldn't that just be beautiful? That'd be beautiful. Equity, $100,742. We're above. But let's see what this trade does, because this could still lose, and then I'll be below the 100K. Dubs all around so far. Don't want to speak it up because, hey, it could reverse right now and lose. But yeah, I'll see you boys in another, who knows how long. It could hit take profit in 30 minutes for all I know. But yeah, see you in a second. All right, great. I was just recording for 10 minutes on mute. Let's go. But yeah, I am back because we have just entered the 30-minute supply zone. What I was talking about in the previous recording is that we tapped into the 1 hour zone, which is just here. This is also valid. I haven't really done much testing on the 1 hour, but it's Confluence either way, and we're just still getting these nice candles, bro. Like, that's all I gotta say. We're getting this beautiful candle. Obviously we had this one that flipped bearish after tapping into the 1 hour. Not great. I have moved stops to break even now. This looks ugly as hell. But yeah, I've moved stop to break even, and I'm just gonna chill. I could take right now at 1 to 2, but I would love more than 1 to 2. Not to be greedy, but just to have a bit more of an advantage when I take my next trade. You feel me? It'll be less nerve-wracking to take a loss. But yeah, man, shit's looking pretty darn good. I don't have too much to complain about unless we start rejecting from this zone. However, I'm hoping we just close inside, call it a day. Feel me? That'd be beautiful. I would love that. And we are pushing inside the zone. Like, look at that. But yeah, I was also just saying, like, look at the momentum this strategy comes with. Like, TPs just get hit so quick. I mean, like, considering it's a 30-minute. Like, if we go into the 5-minute real quick, bro, I know a lot of you trade the 5-minute, and just imagine you caught this move from here to here. Like, that's crazy. That's a crazy move to catch. Obviously my stop's wider, but like, you'd be happy to catch that. And this shit happens like every time with the strategy, I swear. Like, if it's going to win, that shit explodes, and that's what we love to see. So TP1 has been hit. I would love GP2, which for now I've put up here. Don't know if that's gonna stay. That is a 1 to 5. That is a 1 to 5. Kind of unfortunate I risked 0.5%, but who cares? That's just the game. You feel me? I was just testing out this new platform. What a good trade for my first trade back on the prop firm, you know, because if you don't know, it's been a maintenance. Basically all prop firms have been. But to be honest, I'm quite happy with moving from MetaTrader. That shit was ugly. Like, it was cool, but it was kind of ugly. But look at these candles printing, man. Look at them. But yeah, anyway, I'll probably come back in 16 minutes and 57 seconds and see where it's at. If I'm not back, then it's probably because it closed inside the zone and I'm just chilling, waiting for it to go up more. Yeah, that's about it. See you in a second. Alright, so I've actually come down quite a bit here. I am definitely considering closing because this is just such a valid setup for us to take normally anyway, and this rejection is pretty beautiful. Like, this is something I'd love to see if I was actually taking the supply, but I'm gonna quickly see how this closes. It'll be a bit below 1 to 2, which is kind of disappointing overall. But honestly, I'm up on the account now. Like, I'm cool with it. Yeah, that's tough, bro. That shit's broken candle. It's looking like it's gonna close bearish. I mean, once again, I can't complain about a win, but alright, I'm closing full. Alright, my phone is on like 1%, but honestly, probably could have held this. Took a 1 to 2. It's pretty underwhelming because usually it's minimal 1 to 3s, but this supply is rejecting really well. It may actually close inside, but I'm still cool with it. I felt like I needed to get a live trade out anyway, so even though it wasn't the greatest trade, hey, it's cool. And to be fair, that's still like 18 pips on EURUSD. That's pretty good for EURUSD. If stop was a bit tighter, this could have easily been like a 1 to 5. That would have been absolutely beautiful, but hey, we're chilling. Wide ass stop loss kind of ruined it, but a dub's a dub. Can't really hate, can't really complain. I do want to see if this closes inside the zone, but hey, you guys don't care. But yeah, man, like the video if you want to start streaming, because I actually don't know if people want that or not. Subscribe, comment if you want. Follow the Instagram, join the Discord, and somebody kiss my hand better, please. Goodbye.